Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little unboxing video. I wanted to make it quick, but I got a new package from Uniglitter and I totally snuck a peek because I was very excited. But they have new packaging. So my other unboxing video that I did, I showed some of these. Here's like the smaller one, here's the bigger one. They're super cute, but they don't have the names on them at all. And I also noticed that I don't know where it is, but I had one of the glitters for not too terribly long, and it dried out, and I think that had a little to do with the type of container. So I'm very excited because they have new containers. They say the names on them so that I can actually specifically tell you guys which one's which, because once I get them, I'm lost and I'm like, this one's yellow. I don't know. So, oh yeah, these are very nice and I'm very excited. So let's dive into this. Oh, I think these are bigger too. Let's compare. Okay, so this is a big one from before, and then this is the bigger one now. So that's pretty decently sized bigger. That's very exciting. That's very exciting. So this is the coral pink UV unicorn. Oh, and it's making a rainbow on my hand. That's exciting. Okay, going with a theme here. It's kind of like mirror reflective. So yeah, what I know about these, oh, it has a thing on there. This is fancy. Okay. So what I know about these is they have a little protector to keep air out, to keep them lasting longer, which is fantastic. And so here's this one, which is super pretty. And I'm just going to take a chunk of it and pop this sucker back on. Okay. And, okay, I love this. So, fun fact, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture the other day where I'm like totally nude, implied pose, wearing almost an entire container of one of these big containers. And I'll show you in a second what caused that photo, because I was planning on doing an actual photo shoot with an actual photographer, not just like self-timed photos covered in glitter, but something occurred and I had to use the glitter while I could. So, okay, here is the coral pink UV unicorn. Oh, the lighting is just terrible right now. The lighting is terrible, and I don't know what to do about it, but okay, from over here you can see. So there is coral pink UV unicorn, and that one is super pretty, and it has little moons in it, and every time I get one of these glitters and they have tiny moons in them, that immediately makes me happy, because that's what I'm about. So before I get to the rest, I'll show you what happened. So if you don't know, I have a pit bull, and she is an angel. And also, she's a little shit. So one night I went to a local bar just for like a couple hours, and I figured, you know what, I'm not gonna put her in her kennel because it's just gonna be a couple hours. She's, you know, if I leave her too long, then she starts to get anxious and maybe we'll chew on something, but like, she'll be fine. Oh, I was wrong. I thought I had a bag full of all these glitters that are now sitting on my table. And I thought, you know, if it's not out in the open, she's going to leave it alone. And I was sadly mistaken because I came home and both of these makeup bags were torn to shreds. She partially chewed up one of my lipsticks. She ate one of my eyeliners, and this became this. Cool. It was pretty much full, and I was very upset. And so I tried to find like an old container that I could transfer into there, and I was like, no, it's gonna dry up. I can't have that happen. So when I woke up the next morning, I was just like, I don't know what to do. And I was like, I know what I'm gonna do. And I just grabbed it and just started like smearing it all over. And was like, taking some pictures today. So if you haven't seen that photo, I love the photo. It's fantastic. There was glitter everywhere. There's still glitter on my floor and in my bed and in the rug, and I don't care. I love it. So that's what happened with that one, which is great. And she is the culprit. Aren't you, Bean? She doesn't care. She doesn't care. So anyway, let's get back to these new glitters. So this is the smaller one. Actually, I want to compare the smaller ones too, because even with the smaller one, it is bigger. Ooh, look at that. That is fun. Okay, so this is Twilight Teal Unicorn. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love this. Oh my god. I'm gonna need a giant size in one of these. Okay. So it's like mostly like that green, blue, aqua color, but then there's very tiny pieces of like yellow and orange, and then there's like purple thrown in there. And it has moons in it. I think most of them have moons in it. I know there are, I think, a couple that don't, but I think most of them do. Anyways, so this is Twilight Teal Unicorn. And focus. And focus. Can we get closer? Close, close, close. So pretty. So pretty. There we go. Wow, that's gorgeous. And I'm literally making my setup over here like a disco ball when I do that, because it's so bright outside. I can't. Let's just put it to good use. Can you ever have too much glitter? I don't think so. Another smaller one, it's called Garnet. Garnet? I don't know. I feel stupid now. Okay. Let's see. I have so much makeup piled on this table, you guys. It's ridiculous. Ooh, this is good. So this one's cool. This one's like red and like, I don't know if it's black or if it's just like a really, really dark red, but it's red and then what looks to be like a black, which is a cool, super dark vibe. The sun is moving and I can't keep up with it. I love this. Okay, let's throw this on there too. Just rub it in for good measure. Yep, there we go. Beautiful. Mix them all. Just mix them all. Okay, last one, guys. So this one I like specifically requested and was very excited about. And it's in the giant jar, which is very exciting. So, rose gold. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay. Stay. This is so gorgeous. This is definitely my favorite one. Wow, I love this. Should we add it? Let's add it. Okay, cool. I don't know what's going on anymore. I just feel bad for anyone who comes around me. No, I don't, because I just make them prettier. So those are the new glitters. I'm super stoked on the new packaging that it has the name on it and that it has this inside thing. You guys should definitely go check out. They have a couple new colors and they're super pretty. And if you want to get 20% off, they're already like super fairly priced. But if you want 20% off on top of that, use my code. It's LilyMoon20. Don't forget that there's those 2 L's in there because a lot of people mistake that. You won't get your 20%. So LilyMoon20 at Uniglitter.com. Uniglitter.com. And you can actually follow them on Instagram as well, which it's at Uniglitter Labs. And it's also on the top of the glitter container. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you love glitter as much as I do, then you did. Follow me on Instagram if you don't. My Instagram is at LilyBlueMoon. Again, those 2 L's in the middle, it's very important. Don't forget it. And thank you for watching. I love you guys. You guys are the best.